Tell me something about you which is unique, nobody knows in your class because many of your classmates are there in the virtual meet. Not more than a minute.
But sir, I don't think there is something such so mysterious about me. I'm more of an open book.
Okay. No uniqueness, right?
So not uniqueness, but nothing that people don't know.
Okay, everybody
They
know.
know my strengths.
Okay, okay, great.
Yes.
आप जो आपका जो सब जानते हैं वो बता दीजिए कोई बात नहीं.
So I'm confident and there is nothing that I cannot do if I work hard on it.
Okay. What about your educational achievements?
So, sir, for as for my percentages, currently during BTech, I have an aggregate of 82%. Completed my secondary education with 88% and higher secondary education with 86%. I'm currently the merit holder in college, ranking first in my branch. Also, I'm the head coordinator of College Literary Club. Public speaking is my forte, and that is why I'm also the editor of newsletters and content creator for college.
Okay. You are a completely CS topper or you are section topper?
Complete CS, complete branch topper.
Complete branch topper. How much percentage you have?
82% aggregate.
You don't have laptop? Janab,
Sir, I cannot hear you.
yeah, you don't have laptop? Hello? Okay, I see it join again.
Sir,
I'm
I
sorry.
guess network
No, ma'am. There was a call in between, so your voice got muted. I'm sorry.
Janab, you don't have laptop?
I have, sir.
You were in the yesterday interview?
No, sir. I wasn't there.
Okay, you were the absentee. And then how your teacher has allowed you for the interview?
So we weren't supposed to.
Absentees are not allowed at all.
So we were supposed to attend all the interviews, were we?
Okay. Because I have told in the yesterday interview, many of them were using the mobile phone while giving the interview. I have told you have to use the laptop when you are
If you
giving.
could give me 5 minutes, I can join with my laptop.
That is not an issue at all. But when you are really sitting for a company interview, at least you must know these things, right?
Generally, mobile phones come handy, so
Okay. Okay.
yes.
Uh, what are the specific things which you know about V2 solution? Five
So,
five USP, which we can a unique selling point of V2 solutions. In
so one
your
of the is that they work on Salesforce, which is something that Indian market has not yet discovered it as much as it's worth it. Second thing is the headquarters. They are in California. Plus, also there is not only one office in India. There are 4 offices of V2 in India. The workforce is pretty appreciative.
okay, Salesforce is one of the emerging technologies. Is coming
Yes,
under
sir.
one of the emerging technologies.
Yes, sir.
Is it programming kind of profile or somewhere something more involved in this?
No, sir. It's basically a cloud platform. And the main thing about Salesforce is its CRM, the customer relationship management program that works with Salesforce. So the best part is that if you provide this functionality to any business or any company, they can completely gather their complete business at one click. You don't have to use different things for different purposes. There is this one thing which will do all the things for you.
Okay, Salesforce. Why they have kept the Salesforce name? How the Salesforce name came into picture?
So the main thing for Salesforce is as I said, it's CRM, and the main thing in CRM is the sales management of any company. So it's my guess that because it's like a force that drives the sales of any company, that is why
Salesforce is a name of any company or it is a product name?
it's a product name.
But I just knew from some of my friends that Salesforce is one of the big IT MNC in the world, just like
So it's
Adobe and these kind of companies.
but it's a product that's been developed, and now companies are working on it. So the company that developed it it has, I guess it's the company that developed is named Salesforce.
Okay. The product Salesforce is developed by as a Salesforce company.
No, like
No,
there
no.
are there are few people who
One
develop
of our
Salesforce.
friends called me, Gautam, and he has told, sir, I recently have joined Salesforce. Then what does it mean?
So like there is this cloud platform that is AWS, Amazon Services. Now someone has to work on that cloud platform as well. So the company that works on that cloud platform is called AWS. Similarly, the company that manages Salesforce is called Salesforce, and other people use that Salesforce service to provide services to other companies.
Okay. Salesforce is just like a solution provider.
Yes.
Okay. Uh, what is your plan for next after next 10 year?
So there's no such plan. The only thing I want is to be content and satisfied with what I have done in those 10 years.
Okay, very good. इतना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड आंसर दिया है, मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा। हाँ?
Diplomatic.
अच्छा इज गुड, अच्छी बात है। तीन वर्ड बड़े पॉपुलर वर्ड है, डेमोक्रेटिक, ऑटोक्रेटिक एंड डिक्टेटरशिप। तीनों में क्या डिफरेंस है?
So if I do it like this, okay, so like India is a democratic country. It completely works on the people, the citizen of that country. We elect people and we de-elect them. That is a democracy. Autocracy is like there are certain Gulf countries like Kuwait. It is an autocracy. Elections are held over there, but still the monarch is also part of the process, the decision making process. It is a 50-50 stuff. And monarchy is monarchy is like the king is the head. Only he makes the decisions. There is no part of the citizens.
Any country having the dictatorship kind of regulations and rules?
I don't remember right now. I know there are a lot of autocracy, but I don't think there is any monarchy right now.
ऑटोक्रेसी कहाँ पे है?
So autocracy is in Kuwait, it's in Dubai, it's
चाइना,
in
चाइना,
Nepal as
चाइना,
well.
चाइना में क्या है?
China is China is a democracy, sir. I think.
Are you sure?
I'm not sure.
ओके, चेक करो, एक बार चेक करना, ठीक है?
So it has to be an autocracy because the president was held, the during the
They don't have the,
coronavirus thing.
they don't have the prime minister.
So, but generally, only India is one country where the prime minister is considered the utmost power. In other countries, president is the one who is the biggest power.
Okay, so in India, president has no use. Why
President
the
is there,
president
but
would
ultimately
came
the
into
prime
picture?
minister.
Why the
No,
president?
president is, but the utmost authority is in the hands of the prime minister.
Okay. Okay, Janab, nice talking to you. I'll
Same.
request Rathod sir to take next part of your interview.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay. Tell us why V2 Solutions.
Sir, V2 Solutions, one of the main reason is the stuff it works on, Salesforce, AI. These are the hotshots right now in the IT, complete the IT environment.
Okay. Which all other placements have you set for and what are the results?
Sir, I only set for one placement, that's for the Gateway company, and I couldn't make through the last interview.
Why? What was the reason?
So some of the requirements were something that I couldn't exactly provide.
What was that? Have you
So
analyzed
some technical requirements. The things they work on was not something that was not my forte.
Okay. Then why should V2 hire you?
So it depends on the company, sir. I'm ready to learn. Something that they work on may not be my forte, but I can always make it mine.
Okay. But what are your strengths which you think V2 should hire you?
So one of the main thing is fast learning. I'm ready to learn whatever they provide me with. And also I don't need a mentor to sit on my head 24/7. I can work on my own as well.
Okay. Tell me, what do you mean by go-getter when V2 says that we need a go-getter?
So someone who's ready to grab an opportunity as soon as it lands in front of them. Yes, sir. Someone who's ready to do anything for it.
Yeah. So it's not grabbing the opportunity; it is going after something
Yes.
when you decide. It is basically
Yeah.
determination and
Determined. A
having a
person's
go.
skill. Yes, sir.
Consistent. Yes. Okay. So you said you have the skills like oratory and confidence. I think these are the two things you said that those are your strong points.
Yes, sir.
And then what are these strong points as far as your V2 goes? What strong points you think would be good?
Sir, as much as I have researched about the company, what they want is someone who's ready to learn a new technology because what they use is not something that we are taught in our colleges. So that is one thing that I can do perfectly. They also want someone who has a strong logical mind, and I've proved in 4 years of my college life that at least I'm at least 60 to 70% good with it. So that is one thing.
Okay. Okay. So are you ready to relocate? Yeah. Janab, are you ready to relocate? I say, if needed. Yeah. Janab, can you hear me?
Sir, I think our video is frozen.
Okay. Okay. In any case, I finished. Janab. You
Yes.
can.
Hello.
I think we can start
Yeah, yeah.
with another candidate, sir. You know?
Okay. Janab is, sir, Janab is available. We
Yes,
have
sir.
that. Fine. Hello. Rathore sir.
Yeah. 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 Janab,
Are you
I
there?
was asking you, are you ready to
Hello.
relocate?
Yes, sir, I'm ready.
Okay. So what would be your place of or preference of place?
Sir, if they're relocating in India, then I would prefer to go to Bangalore.
You prefer to go to Bangalore. Okay. Why? Any particular reason for that?
So I've lived there for 2 years, so I'm pretty used to that city. Also, it's the IT hub of India, so
Sure. Okay, Janab. All the best.
thank you, sir.
Nice talking to you.
Same here. Afternoon,
Zainab,
ma'am.
good afternoon. You are not audible. You are not visible to me. Your camera is on, but Zainab.
Ma'am, it's on.
Okay. So, what you are preparing for V2 Solutions interview?
Ma'am, as long as I researched, they want someone who's good with OOPS, so this is one thing I'm preparing right now.
You checked some interview questions related to V2 Solutions.
Yes, ma'am, with some of the seniors that are working there.
Uh, with whom you have asked?
Yash Mehta, Madhu.
Okay. See, they are seniors of yours.
Yes, ma'am.
Can't say like this. You have to say, ma'am, sir, or you must have to give respect to your seniors, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so there is one question. Differentiate between declare and declaration and a definition of variable. What is the difference?
So, ma'am, declaration is where you give the name to that particular variable. Suppose integer a is its declaration, and a equals to 10 is the definition, which gives meaning to that declaration.
Okay, some of errors are in C. What do you mean by an error?
Ma'am, error is something that stops the execution process.
Can you explain type of errors in C?
Um, Ma'am, like divided by zero
I'm
and
asking about types of error.
like compilation error and runtime error.
Yeah, and what is the difference between these two? What is compile time error?
So, compile time error is while the program is being compiled, that is, the computer is understanding each and every the code that we have written. During that time, if an error occurs, that is compile time error, and after compilation is done, there is
So
no
what
error.
is pre-processor error in compile time error?
Okay. Pre-process, ma'am, it's about something like dynamic. When while you're using dynamic memory, that time you get compilation runtime errors, and while you're using static
I'm
memory,
talking about compile time error, and in compile time error, I'm talking about pre-processor error,
I don't know.
translate error, and
No,
linked error.
no, ma'am.
Okay, then what is runtime error?
Runtime error is when the compilation process is done, and while program is running, then you get an error that time. Like divided by zero is a runtime error.
Okay. Okay, what is difference between C and C++?
C++ is a object-oriented programming language, and C is not. It's a procedural language.
What is benefit of object-oriented programming language?
Ma'am, so first of all, it's the safety issues in object-oriented programming. There is no information breach,
Okay. And
and also the program is very systematic. It's very easy to understand.
what is scope in Python?
Scope is, ma'am, there's several access specifiers. So a particular variable will only be available in a particular scope.
Okay. What are some of these scopes in Python?
Public, private.
Sure.
I think it's only
What
public
is
and private in Python.
local scope? What is global scope? What is module level scope? What is outermost scope?
Yes, ma'am.
What
So,
is? I'm asking to
ma'am,
you.
local is there is a particular code written in it, and a and a suppose a variable is declared within that program. So its scope is only that. A global variable is which is declared outside a program, and it is available in all the methods declared in that particular program. Module is particular variable which is being declared inside a module will only be able to be we will only be
It
able to
is a
use
global or it is local? Module level scope is global or local?
global if you have like if you have used that module in that program.
Okay. And what is outermost scope?
Outermost scope is a variable that can be used anywhere without any access specifiers.
No, not like this.
Okay, then I don't have an idea.
Okay.
Ma'am, you're not audible.
How memory is managed in Python?
Ma'am, memory management is not in hands of the user. While you declare a variable, the value assigned to that variable is being directly provided a memory in the computer, depending upon the
But
type.
how internally that memory is managed?
No, I don't know.
What is dynamic typed languages?
Dynamic,
Typed languages.
the languages that provide in which the memory is provided at the time of while the program is being executed.
Okay. What is self in Python?
Self.
Yes.
No, ma'am, I'm not. I don't have deep knowledge of Python.
Okay. So, in which programming language you are more comfortable in Python, in C or in C++?
See.
C.
Yes, ma'am.
Why C?
I've been doing it for last 4 years. It's on the tips of my hand.
This is
Of my
only
pen.
the advantage of C, but
Sorry.
so if you people are using C, it doesn't means it will be a very good language. Why you are not
No,
going
it's
to,
not.
yeah.
I know it's not a very good language, but for logic building, C is the most comfortable language. Also, I
Okay.
can work with C++. It's not like that, but I'm not very efficient in it.
Okay. What is return zero statement in main function?
So, suppose there is a method that has its type is integer. So, while you are not returning anything, you can return 0.
Okay. You have done your project in your internship,
Yeah, I did 2 courses from Coursera.
and from that courses you have to create one of the projects. So in
Yes,
which
ma'am.
language you have done your project?
I've done in web development.
Okay, briefly explain your project.
So earlier on, I did a project which was about a shopping site which was for small scale manufacturers. So I'd be using that project as my minor project. It was a project that we designed for SIH. In that, it was a government based project. So we used Aadhaar card as the main system. So there was no issue of emails and OTPs and all that. So that people who are not very well educated can also use that. Also, they don't have to put in a lot of efforts and a lot of information because Aadhaar card contains all your informations already.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So Zainab, all the very best.